everyone! We're back. So, this is the moment of truth. So, bubuksan na natin ating box. So, ang mananalo man nito, congratulations. And kung hindi man nakahula nito, I'm really sorry. But we have more of games to come. But anyways, this is, bumili ako nito because of the reason why is some of them, I cannot, kaya ang tagal ko nang hindi nakagawa ng patikim ni Mikey because of some of my materials in the kitchen are broken. Ayun na broken siya. Hindi ko alam. Iniwan niya ako. Iniwan niya ako. So, worth it naman yung bagay na binili that price it because ay yung hindi yung price yung binili kong it because almost 6 years na siya. 6 years? 6 years na ba ya? Yeah, parang ganun. 6 years kasi nung nagkasakit ako, doon ako bumili ng ganun it because of I cannot eat some food na sinusutay na ginagamit ng oil or even olives oil or even healthy siya. Hindi ako pinagagamitan ng mga ganung na mga oil because of though I don't have any cholesterol somehow kasi I do some activities, I do some gyms or ganito. So, I don't have, piniprevent lang nila because of my intestine para hindi na rin siya maapektuhan. But anyways, highways, because they have two items here. Kung ano man to, kung ano man makikita nyo dito, these are the things that every day we use. Everything we use. Some of them are, they are both materials from kitchen. They are both materials from the kitchen. So, nag-order lang po ako sa Amazon kasi ayaw kong pumunta sa mga shop na dami kasi mga tao and nag-iingat din because of, though I have a third dose for my COVID vaccine. I have a third dose and I don't know yet if hindi pa rin enough yung anticore ko sa katawan ko, I will have a fourth dose that they said. But I don't know when it will be. But anyways, highways, ito po ang laman ng aking mga box. I hope may makatama. Feeling ko naman may makakatama. And I will review all the ano bang tawag nito? I will review all the answers sa loob ng GC natin para makita natin sino yung nakasagot. Well, ang first item natin is, ang first item natin, it's a 2-word English. English tayo, ha? Kasi ma-English din naman yung First one, it's this one. Absolutely is a rice cooker. So, it's a 2-word English. So, let me check later if may nakasagot ng tama. But, normally, we have a rice cooker in the house, kaso gusto na namin siyang pag-graduating. Kung yung namin na isang nasira, it's like more than 6 years. That one is like 8 years. Normally, some of our, it's a trivia. Some of our utensils in the house, you have to dispose it. Kailangan mong i-dispose in no due time, like in 5 years or 3 years. It because of some of them are not containing any more than yung mga bagay na they have inside of the parang kunwari sa underwear. Normally underwear, yes, I used to it na in 2 years, nagpapalit talaga ako lahat ng underwear. I used to throw everything kahit hindi pa siya bacon. Tinatapon ko na siya kasi they have already parang expiration only for 2 years. Though they don't have any written na sinasabi dapat 2 years magpalit ka na. But normally 2 years you have to change your underwear. Parang gano'n. So, in this case, the first item po natin is rice cooker. And then the next one, this one is the most important to me because I really love making kutsinta or making some sapin-sapin or anything that comes to na hindi ako nagsusatay na mga vegetables or fish or some pork. So I'll buy again this one because na-broken na siya. It's a steamer. So that's the second item I have in my box, in our bahula. So this steamer is like, ilan ba to? Ilang bang gallon to na So it's like a 12 liters that everyone can, they have a 3 layer. So before I have 2 layer, malaki din siya. Doon ako gumagawa ng embutido. So now I can make I can make embutido na by this So, and I can continue cooking and some baking kasi why I bake? Why I bake? Well, the reason why I bake cake and what do you call this? Why I bake cake, why I make some sweet foods. Kasi the reason that's are my stress food. That's my stress food when I think's not okay, when I feel not okay. So, kung nafe-feel nyo everyday, I bake it because isn't that, I don't want to think and to bother things na about my health, about like this. Alam mo parang, in the end of the day, even you're tired so much and then you eat something sweet, parang everything, parang lahat is ano siya, it will pure the sweetness in your tongue and then parang everyone is gone, all the pain na at pagod na receive mo from the hospital, and that's why I have this and I stay much time in the kitchen. Usually sa kitchen talaga ako nag-i-stay. I bring my laptop and everyone and I watch there. So like 6 hours, nasa 6 hours, 8 hours minsan I can stay cooking in the kitchen. So anyways, highways, these are the two items that na binili ko from Amazon. So I hope may nakasagot ng rice cooker and steamer. So if you have that answer, kung na-answer nyo naman yon, so you will receive a 300 Gcash and check ko kung sino yung unang nakasagot. But if you answer only one, you receive 100 Gcash. So anyways, highways, keep safe everyone, and I hope I can see you very soon, and take care, and huwag magpabudol. Mache! Ganon. So anyways, mga leche, mag-ingat-ingat po kayo dyan, and take care. Bye-bye!